Gayatri Thakre and I am currently pursuing my integrated master's degree in computer application from International Institute of Professional Studies DAVB Indore.
Hi, I am Shuchi. I am pursuing MCA from IIPS, and this is an introductory video to our mini project called IIPS DigiHub. The core idea behind this project is to create a platform in the form of a website that offers a quicker and convenient way for the students to find study material and previous year's paper specific to their own course and semester, along with the opportunity to submit their queries for resolving and solving others' queries, thereby increasing the knowledge of the classes as wholes. The project IAPS DigiHub is an effort towards further digitalizing the techniques of study. Thus, it aims to aid the process of autodidacticism for students.
IIPS offers a Master of Computer Application MCA integrated course of 6 years and a Master of Technology MTech integrated course of 5 years. So each batch of the MCA consists of 90 seats and that of the MTech consists of the 60 seats. At any given day, there are around 800 students enrolled in a various semester of these courses. So these students are our primary target customers.
The project delivers various benefits, some of which are: all study material can be found in one place. A lot of time can be saved. Students can ask questions whenever they feel the need to. The material available on the website is personalized for the students of IIPS. Create a sense of community among the students of MCA and MTech and offer a platform to learn together. Students who are not confident in asking their doubts in class can do so through this platform.
As a team, we have spent approximately 7 to 8 hours looking for product like ours.
There are apps like Doubtnut, Brainly, InstaSolve, etc. that are currently available in the market and achieve similar goals.
Current site is fully static. In the current version of the site, updating the information is difficult task like uploading a lecture video on the website and notes. Documentation of the old site is not available. It's not easy to include a new member in a development team because the product was not properly planned and modulated. The early version of the site code is not intended and doesn't mention the comment in the code, so sometimes it's quite difficult to understand the code. It's not a client server based website, and it was not designed to keeping in mind the special need of the technical student of IIPS. So these are the limitation of a currently available product which we will try to overcome in our product.
The platforms available now are mainly focused on maths and science, as opposed to computer science. No platform is particularly developed for IIPS students. In addition, there are a lot of cases of spam in these apps.
The main things that we would like to do with our idea is to develop it into a fully functional website and offer the previously mentioned services to the students.
The main concerns are the proper development and implementation of the project. After that, the concern would be the response the product would receive and whether or not the students would be eager to use the website.
Throughout the project, a general has been maintained.
The idea or product has not been disclosed in a public venue as of yet.
A patent has not been pursued as yet.
No amount of money and approximately 50 hours of work have been invested in the making of this project.
The development stage of the project at present is CAD file. It means computer aided design. It has been formally documented.
Demonstration of the project using balsamic wireframes. This is the home page of the IIPS DigiHub website. the other pages of the website can be accessed through the menu bar provided. The contact details of the creators of the website is given at the bottom of the page. This is the last year's papers page of the website. The user can select the semester, let's say semester 4th. That will give them the papers of the previous year, which are grouped by either the test name or the subjects. This is the study material page of the website. User can choose a semester and they will be linked to the books and notes of the subjects of that semester. This is the page where a user can post their queries in either picture format or text format. The queries asked by other users are displayed here too, which a user can answer or view previous answers to. This is the login page of the website. The login page asks a user for their email ID and password. If someone does not have an account, they can sign up from here using their name, email ID and password. If someone has already logged in, they can view their profile. The My Profile page of the website shows the user's name, a small description, profile picture, the question the user has asked in the past, the answers the user has given in the past, and account settings.
Thank you for watching this video.